Oh, I will. Is she coming?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey guys, we're live. And don't mind us. Let's see what we got here. Let's see who on the interwebs. We got 20 minutes to go live. Friday, I can't go live. Chris, did you realize that Friday I can't go live?
Why can't you
I'm
go
supposed to
live?
go live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
And what's going on Friday?
Friday, I'm monitoring.
Ooh.
So I don't go live on monitoring days.
Why
or
not? You couldn't go live while you're monitoring?
No, it's
Why?
not fair to the
Oh.
sponsor of the site.
Okay.
No, I can't do that. But I gotta be present for them. Or if we have like a meeting. But next week is Thursday. I'm coming here, so yeah, I don't live stream on Thursdays. Anyways, how's it going, guys? Who's here? Let me know in the comments. Very happy to report both Chris and I are COVID negative right now. I just got my results yesterday.
Well, it's not
2
certain.
days ago.
I haven't tested yet.
Oh, Chris is not so okay. So I should actually be wearing my mask around you, but it would be too late already.
I'm sure I'm not positive.
We've been maintaining 6 feet. Guys, how to clinical research? How's it going? Let me know you guys' thoughts. Let me know exactly where you're watching from right now. Exactly what you've got going on in your corner of the world. I'm drinking some 7-Eleven sparkling water. This is a great deal. It's buy one, get one free, and one is $2. So you're basically paying $1 for each. And this is just as good as Perrier. Actually better. I like it better than Perrier. We got Rosario in the house. Latinos in Clinical Research calendar lady. She's going to be April calendar for 2022. Because 2021's already occurred.
But on what calendar?
The Latinos in Clinical Research. I already had this conversation with her.
All right.
So April 2022, I actually got to talk to the girls to see, and you guys on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is in the house. Look, we got Jamaica. Oh no, I thought you said you're from Jamaica. We got someone named Jamaica. Let's give a shout out to you on the LinkedIn. First comment on LinkedIn. Toronto. We got Toronto. Huntsville, Alabama. Awesome. Are you a University of Alabama Crimson Tide fan? Let me know. It's very easy to be a fan of that program. We already got the questions rolling in. As usual, YouTube is first with the questions. Eric Lombard, we're doing good, man. We're doing lots of good things. I actually met up with Joey the other day, and lots of interesting stuff on the investment sides, on the real estate side for sure. We got someone all the way from India, Shifa. How's it going? Argentina. Oh, you went to Auburn. Jamaica went to Auburn. Okay, so yeah, shame on me for mentioning Alabama. I went to U of A too, the other U of A, University of Arizona. Okay, Chris. We got a question for you.
Okay.
What's the most a CRA can make, and why aren't clinical research careers more talked about? So just answer the first one.
The most?
What's the most a CRA can make?
So, Dan and I both know a contractual CRA, and I think she said 1 year she made close to 400,000. I would say that's not typical.
Not typical, but you know what?
It's
the
possible.
definition of most is the
What's
people at the top
max?
are not typical.
Right, what's the maximum?
Yeah. Hey guys on Instagram, you gotta put hearts, like go crazy with the hearts. I want to see heart palpitations. And like smash the screen. Daniela, how's it going? Great name you've got. Most will make around 125 an hour at the most. Yeah, that's like the that's at the most. That's how to clinical research. Oh, 125K a year at the most. So the contract, I can confirm what Chris said. The contract CRAs, we met one who did get close to 400K. Matter of fact, she bought she was like very happy about the fact that she bought a purple Mercedes Benz.
Mm-hmm.
What she should have bought, guys, here, listen, this is not financial advice. What she should have bought was some Bitcoin. All right, that's what she should have bought.
Especially
And continue driving a Toyota.
Yeah.
And buy a Bitcoin.
She could have bought 15 Mercedes.
Yeah, I've been stacking up on cryptos. I drive a Dodge. I have a Dodge Challenger. We used to do the luxury cars. I don't think there's a Like right now, we need to accumulate assets. You guys wake up and see what's going on around the world.
Sounds like
Okay.
financial advice.
Yeah, not financial advice. This is clinical research. She should have bought homes and Tesla. She should have bought a Tesla stock. You're right. Exactly right. Exactly right. Exactly right. We did the math. Chris and I did the math yesterday. If you would have invested in March in Tesla and Bitcoin, they're both great, but you would have made even more in Tesla stock. Absolutely right.
We bought at their bottoms in March.
At their bottom, yeah. Okay, we got more questions. Auburn in the house. Let's give Jamaica Gray another. Let's give you some more shine, Jamaica. Jamaica. Hope I'm saying it right. I don't know. Jamecia. I'm trying 3 attempts. Okay. University of South Carolina, USC. See, I'm from Southern California. The only USC I know, there's only one USC, in my opinion. That's University of Southern California. But shout out to the Gamecocks. Okay. Let's go, guys. Instagram. Let's put those hearts in the screen. Let's make the algorithms go crazy. See, they're going to look and say, okay, this guy's only got like 8 people watching right now, and who knows how many more on LinkedIn and YouTube and all that. But on Instagram, it's only 8. Like, how is he getting all these 8 million hearts, 8,000 hearts, 800 hearts? The algorithms, you're going to break Instagram, okay, if you do this. And we're going to get more people in the community, networking. I've already been putting people in the comments, connecting them off live together, and they've been making magic happen, making good noise in the industry. Magic, Chris, nothing short of magic. Bridget, CRC study manager, asking a very good question. Make sure you heart it up. Thank you guys. Heart. I have the experience and knowledge. How do I get my foot in the door as an entry-level CRA? So you're a CRC and a study manager. You have to tweak your CV. As a study manager and a coordinator, you probably already do activities that CRAs do, such as reviewing your staff's work, such as quality control type of activities, source data review. Maybe you're even doing source data verification if you're going that deep into it. Guess what CRAs do? All the stuff I just said. And so you got to reflect that on your CV, because sometimes these job recruiters are lazy. And if they don't see, they're going to see CRC and be like, well, we need a CRA. But if you start putting the task that you've done and the skills you've developed, then even the lazy ones will be like, okay, this is something I should do. Free to Be Chick says, tell her to reach out to Ashley Margot. Absolutely right, Bridget. Message me. Ashley Margot is going to help you with your resume. It's going to talk about killing the algorithms with the likes. Her CVs kill the algorithms on the job function. Ashley is insane. She does the CVs for the CRA Academy. She comes on and guest lectures, CRC Academy, all that stuff. So put your job skills, your functions of your job in your resume. Don't just assume that somebody's going to know, okay, well, this person's a study manager and a CRC. So, yeah, she knows how to do CRA stuff. Don't assume, because at universities, CRCs don't do anything that CRCs do in the private space. And study manager could mean anything. I mean, literally could mean things not even related to private industry research. So a lot of these recruiters, you got to put yourself in their shoes. They see hundreds of CVs a day. Okay. It's a mundane job. They've got to they can't look bad by sending a candidate to a client who doesn't qualify. So make their life easier. It's all about putting yourself in their shoes. Sure. It's a little bit of empathy. We're opening mail at the same time as we're answering questions. Okay, Instagram, put your questions here. We got one. Iraruchi. I'm looking for a good topic for my master final work about clinical trials. Some actual interesting topic. Any suggestions? Yes. How to reduce the disparities in the industry when it comes to minority participation. It's the #1 biggest problem in the entire clinical research industry. and it trickles down into problem in the healthcare system in general. How to get more minorities, specifically African Americans and Hispanics, into clinical research from an employment standpoint and from a study participation standpoint. That should be your master final. You will amaze and delight everybody. And you should subscribe to LatinosInClinicalResearch.com and also look up Black Women in Clinical Research. And you can pass your master's thesis just on that, or your master's final. So yes, that is my suggestion for you, Instagram. Can I write it? I'm not going to write it, but it's, you know what? I kind of like you for asking. You never know unless you ask. But the answer is a resounding hell no. I'm not writing any master thesis for you. Are you kidding? Then give me your degree. Give me your master's degree when you're done. I'm not writing it, but we got the videos. We got everything. All you got to do is watch, learn, put pen to paper, and yeah. So LatinosInClinicalResearch.com. Okay, I'm not gonna write it for you, but minority participation in. So if you're not in the United States, this is like a crazy concept. But in the United States, we're so diverse. Like we have nationalities, all kinds of ethnicities. Okay, but in clinical research in the United States, it's primarily represented by Caucasians. So I'm summarizing what I'm saying for you. So we're having in the United States a real issue with minority participation in studies. So you got to write about this. As a matter of fact, I think it's a worldwide problem, but the diversity is the greatest in this country, in the United States. And so the problem is more observable. Okay, it's more observable. So that's the topic. You need to go with it. Go to LatinosInClinicalResearch.com. Go to Black Women in Clinical Research. Learn all about it. Network with all of us in there, and you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn. Rod Raphael says University of South Carolina. Yeah, yep. But the real USC is University of Southern California. I'm sorry. Don't want to offend anyone. You guys lost me. I pushed back on my browser and it took me off. So put more questions in the comments. Do you have investigator MSA templates that you share? Master service agreements. If you're a client of ours, we will give you a template. Like it's basically just a 1099 template. It's just a little bit catered to being a physician and doing clinical research. So being an investigator, but we don't actually have an MSA template, but we use like an independent contractor template. That's not going to work if your PI is an employee, like a W-2 employee. So no, we don't have that specifically, but we do have something.
Yeah, I'm gonna interrupt.
Rod says there is only UCLA in Southern California. I hear you, Rod. You know, as someone that went to University of Arizona, I like these kind of razzing on each other's colleges. Talking about that, community participation is an integral part of clinical research. Absolutely. Hey, Gabriella. Hey, Christine. How's it going, guys? Some of my two most favorite people on this. How's it going? We got 5 minutes. Well, you want to say anything, Chris? You want to answer more questions? Chris is over there opening mail.
No, I was gonna ask you something, but I figured it out.
Okay, so any more questions, throw them at me. Otherwise, we will have to sign off. But I'm glad I was able to go live a little bit. Anybody on Clubhouse yet? Anybody using Clubhouse? I'm like fascinated by this. I just don't have the time. This week I haven't had time to be on Clubhouse. I'm going to try for like Friday night when I'm done monitoring. Because I'm not going to go live Friday. So maybe Friday I'll go on Clubhouse. and check it out. You or both of us need to get in a Clubhouse and start a room. Friday, Rod. Friday, hit me up. I'm not going to go live Friday. So this is my last live, actually, before Monday. So I'm not going to go live to Friday this week. And then Sunday, we got the Super Bowl. So Monday, we're going to go live again. Let me know who you think's going to win. And Rod, absolutely, let's do a Clubhouse on Friday. I also have another person named Michelle who follows me on Instagram who wants to do the Clubhouse with us too. Just got off duty. Tell us about the next Latinos in Clinical Research meeting. The next Latinos in Clinical Research meeting is Tuesday, February 9th at 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Eastern. The email reminder has not gone out yet. So please go to latinosinclinicalresearch.com and subscribe to the email list so you get the Zoom invite. The Zoom info is also in the Latinos in Clinical Research Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Okay. Who do I have in the Super Bowl? I have Tampa Bay by 2. Tampa Bay by 2. I think it will be high scoring. Tampa by 2. I just can't bet against Brady. So that's my answer to that. Guys, thank you. I got to start a... Okay, I'll do one more question. When applying for a CTA position, what is the most important thing in a CV that catches the attention of the interviewer? Clinical trial assistant or clinical trial administrator? It depends who you're working for. If it's for the sponsor or CRO, it's how to interact with sites, how to get sites motivated to send you documents and do things like that. Communication. If it's for a site, then you're helping a coordinator. So you're probably helping answer queries and all that stuff. So always think about who's the company looking to hire you, and you can kind of know their problems. Okay, if you watch enough of these videos, you'll know their problems. And then you can come up with why you are the solution, or at least part of the solution to the problem. Guys, thank you so much. I got to go start this other Zoom, but catch you all later. Give it a last few likes for the algorithms, and have a good day.